Phoenix contact terminal blocks with PushX connection technology are now available from Sager Electronics. PushX uses a pretensioned contact spring that enables safe and reliable termination without the need for tools and with virtually zero force. When a conductor is inserted and touches the release surface, the contact spring is released, causing the conductor to be securely contacted. A push button resets the contact and releases the conductor. PushX technology is compatible with rigid and flexible conductors without the need for ferrules, providing greater flexibility and reduced installation time, while the push button provides visual indication to reduce testing. PushX technology is used in Phoenix Contact's XTV terminal blocks and can accommodate conductor cross-sections between 0.5 and 25 square millimeters, bridging the gap between PTV and PT power terminal blocks. To learn more about Phoenix Contact terminal blocks with PushX connection technology, visit Sager.com.